one song, and I love this song. It's called Black Love, I believe. I do not own the rights of this music, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's fun, the movements are very easy, but before we get started, I want to say this real quick, and I always got to go through this little spiel. If you are new to my channel and you are seeing me for the very first time and you enjoy what you see, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell, ding, so you can receive notifications of the new videos. Okay, with that being said, we're going to have fun. Now the movements really quick. Let me show you the movements. They're real simple, and it's just going to be a repeat of it over and over again. So we're going to do what we call leg flies. All right, like this. It's going to be a count of 4, all right? Then we're going to do side taps, boom, 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 boom. Count of 4. Then we're going to do 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times. And then we're going to heel tap. 4, it's going to be count of 4, okay? And then we're going to take it from the top, all right? Now, for the slow version, it's going to be up here in the corner, so you can keep up with me, all right? So, that being said, go get your chairs and let's have fun, because we're about to sit, move, and groove, and do a little bit of dance fitness. Let's get started.